Okay, 59 and 60 are all the easy questions, so I combine them into one video. So 59, suppose f is an analytic function. So if you see the previous GRE math test, then maybe each time it will ask you about this type of question. It only gives you the real parts of the function and ask you about the imaginary part. So basically all you need to remember is when I say the function is analytic, this must be a function of f of z. Only contains z but not z bar. And you can use this to derive the Cauchy-Riemann equation. So in this, we can use the Cauchy-Riemann equation to solve this. This is one way. I will show two ways to solve 59. The first method is use CR equation, Cauchy-Riemann. So u is 2x plus 3y, v is g. If you don't know, if you don't remember that, then me remind you that the Cauchy-Riemann say that ux equals to the derivative of respect to x. On u is the same as derivative with respect to y on v. And similarly, uy is equal to minus vx. Okay. So ux is 2, is equal to gy. Uy is 3 equal to minus gx. Okay, so these tell you that the first equation tell you that g can be written as 2y plus some function of x. And these tell you that gx can be written as minus 3x plus some function of y. So combine them together, we get g equals to minus 3x plus 2y and some constant we don't know. But it tells you that g23 is 1. So this tells you that minus 3 plus 3 c is 1. So c is 1. So you solve g, then you can plug g73 is minus 21 plus 6 plus y is minus 14. The answer is A. The answer is A. So this is the first way. Let me present the second way. Okay. So second way is you know that the function is only function of z. And you see that there is 2x plus 3y. So it tells that the function is linear in z. So the only function in linear in z just az plus b, which a and b are complex number. Okay, so you know how to solve this. I can say that f of z is equal to az plus b. Also is ax plus iay plus b. So the tricky part is we don't know which a and b are complex, because b can be complex, a can also be complex. But you can still write a into. Okay, so I can let a equal to a1 plus ia2. Okay, so we have a1 plus ia2 x plus a1 plus ia2 y, and b1 plus ib2. So we have a1x minus a2y plus ia2x plus a1y plus b1 plus ib2. And then this is the same as 2x plus 3y plus ig. Okay, 2x plus 3y plus ig. So a1 is 2, a2 is minus 3, So G is, this is G. Okay, G. So now you see B1 need to be 0. Okay, so you see G is minus 3x plus 2y plus B2. And you can use the same technique to solve it. So basically, I think this way is much natural that if you don't know about the Cauchy-Riemann, you can once you only know the answer is function of z, then you can solve it very quickly. Okay, so number 60. Number 60 asks about the symmetry group of this regular pentagon. And basically, this is, I mean, if you combine this into a pentagon, then you know that the symmetry group is the dihedral group D5, because you can rotate 108 degree, and you can there are 5 reflection axes. So the group element contains 10 objects. It contains 10 elements. So the answer is dihedral group. So this type of question you just need to think carefully. Then you know the answer. So nothing special in number 60. Okay, thanks.